Creek.
We will warn you there is tadpoles. Well, I will warn you now there is tadpoles. Probably his print.
Maybe. No, he came with that chicken to the minivan. Hey, look, here's a pollywog right here.
What's a pollywog?
That's a baby frogs.
Oh, he's so little.
Look at them.
Grab it. Wait, I can grab it.
Well, you guys are blocking my light. I can't see now.
Get over here, buddy. Give me him. Can I hold him?
The river flows into here, right?
That was really close.
And then it actually goes backwards, back down that way.
Mommy.
And bread's not even good for them. Bread's so bad for geese. Hello.
Dad is going right by your right leg.
Okay.
Why, do you not like it?
He's hissing at me.
They can hiss.
Oh yeah, they hiss. Because we're too close to them.
My bad, bro.
Being protected.
You look
Watch.
fired, to be honest.
Hi, buddy. You hear him?
Yeah, I heard him.
He's like, hey, he just hissed at me. He goes,
You know they can hiss, Kaya? They
rear, rear, rear.
He's actually hissing at me.
Rear, rear. He's like,
What's that? Yeah, you're not getting no food now. I would have gave you.
hey, I'm not gonna hurt ya. See?
You too.
What was that? A rock?
Brick.
Where's the other one?
On my set.
Well, put it on. Elijah, come on, man.
Trying to get my shoe on.
You're getting me agitated.